This meeting is being recorded.
How many row sets are there? How many row sets? How many row sets? 5. What are those? JDBC row set, cash row set. Next. Next, join row set. So total 5 row sets. Okay, 5 row sets are there. JDBC row set, cache row set, web row set, filter row set, join row set. You already studied difference between result set and row sets. So result set, row set, result set and row set. Result set is an object. Row set also an object. Result set contains data. Row set also contains data. Whenever result set generated, result set pointer points to before first record. Row set pointer also points to before first record. So the concept is same, but few differences are there. Okay. How many differences are there? 4. What is the first difference? Result set is non-serializable. All row sets are serializable. So all row sets are serializable. You can transfer in a file, you can transfer in network also, you can write to a file also, you can read from file also. These are possible. So result set is non-serializable. All row sets are serializable. So what is the benefit with row set is you can send in network also, you can receive from network also, you can write to a file also, you can read from file also. Row set. Okay. Second difference, result set is connected object. Row sets, first row set is connected, remaining row sets are disconnected. This object always being connected to database, but these objects connection after getting a data connection closed, it doesn't maintain the connection. But this object always being connected to database, these object not maintain the connection while retrieving data. Happens if the object comes no, automatically connection closed. It doesn't maintain the connection. Total data dumped into your system. Okay. Third difference, result set is not a Java bean. All row sets are Java beans. So Java beans. All row sets are Java beans. Next, in order to get row set, result set, we need connection interface, driver manager class, and statement interface. But row set, only one class, implementation class. That's it. Okay. That is, you'll see in a programming. Now, these all row sets, 5 row sets. How many result set types are there? Result set types. Result set types. Not row sets, result sets. 3 types of result set is there. What are those? Type forward only, type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive. 3 types of result set. But result set interface name is one only, but 3 types. Name result set only or write. Name result set only or write. But types 3. Type forward only, type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive. But row sets, 5 interface names are different. 5 interface names are different. JDBC row set, cache row set, web row set, filter row set, join row set. Now, once again write these 5. I'll give notes. Now, the above all row sets are interfaces in Java x.sql.rowset package. The above all row sets are interfaces in Java x.sql.rowset package. The above all row sets are interfaces in Java x.sql.rowset package. The above all row sets are interfaces in Java x.sql.rowset package. Next point. The above all row sets are derived from Java x.sql.rowset interface. The above all row sets are derived from Java x.sql.rowset pack interface. The above all row sets are interfaces in Java x.sql.rowset package. The above all row sets are derived from Java x.sql.rowset interface. Java x.sql.rowset interface is a sub-interface of java.sql.resultSet interface. Java x.sql.rowset interface is a sub-interface of java.sql.resultSet interface. So at top of the hierarchy, result set will be there. At top of the hierarchy, result set will be there. Next, write it. The above all row sets are implemented by database vendors. The above all row sets are implemented by database vendors. The above all row sets are implemented by database vendors. Next, write it. Oracle Corporation implemented the above interfaces in the following classes. Oracle Corporation implemented the above interfaces in the following classes. Oracle JDBC, like this only write it. O capital, J capital, D capital, P capital, C capital, R capital, S capital. Write clearly. Oracle Cashier Rowset. Oracle Web Rowset. Oracle Filtered Rowset. Oracle Join Rowset. Oracle JDBC Rowset, Oracle Cashier Rowset, Oracle Web Rowset, Oracle Filtered Rowset, Oracle Join Rowset. Oracle JDBC Rosette. So JDBC all capital here. Their J only capital. Here JDBC all capital. They given like that only. So these five interfaces implemented by Oracle Corporation in 5 classes. Okay. Say tomorrow onwards, solids I'm going to start. Okay. Transaction management and connection pooling in further sessions while teaching solids only will cover. Tomorrow I'll start solids. Solids onwards, total Java new style appears. Whatever you studied core Java, JDBC, almost same type is there, no? But solids onwards is complete different. Complete new style of programming you will see. Okay. So you should be very regular until completion of first program. Then only you can understand second program. Otherwise, second program difficult appears if you miss. So up to first program, be regular. One class also don't miss. Every class important only. Okay. Now, because you have seen JDBC program. See, first program onwards, like later up to year, almost same type is there. No? Like that only, solids also like that only. But first program you should understand very depth. Then second program becomes easy. So these 5 classes, complete hierarchy I'll give. See, at the top of the hierarchy, result set will be there. Result set. From result set, row set derived. So it is common row set. Common row set is there. Result set is one interface that inherited in row set. This row set inherited. Here, JDBC row set. From this JDBC row set, Oracle JDBC row set class. Okay. Here, cached row set. Cached row set. From cached row set, Oracle cached row set, web row set, these all derived. Web row set. Oracle web row set, Oracle cached row set. Oracle cached row set. From web row set, Oracle web row set. From web row set only, filtered row set. Join row set. From filtered row set, Oracle filtered row set, Oracle join row set. Write it. This is total hierarchy of row sets. So result set is super interface for all. Result set inverted in row set. Row set inverted in JDBC row set, cache out row set. Is it over? I'll ask some questions, give me answer. Here total how many classes are there? How many interfaces are there? How many classes, how many interfaces? Already notes I given. Which are interfaces, which are classes I given? Because here you cannot give answer which is class, which is interface. All are same notation. For class notation, interface notation, same is there. That's what we cannot give answer. But notes already given. With that you can give answer. How many classes? 5 classes. Oracle is there, no? Classes. Those are classes. Remaining all interfaces. So how many interfaces? 7. 7 interface, including these two. Result set, row set. So result set is interface, row set is interface, JDBC row set, cache row set, web row set, filter row set, join row set. These are interfaces. Okay. 7 interfaces, 5 classes. Now, by using Oracle JDBC row set object, can I access result set methods? Yes or no? Using subclass object, we can access super interface methods. So we can access. Now, Oracle join row set. Using Oracle join row set, can I access JDBC row set methods? No, because no relation between that. Okay. Using Oracle join row set, can I access web row set methods? Yes. Can I access filter row set methods? No, because this is no relation. Okay. With Oracle join row set, you can access join row set, you can access web row set, you can access cache row set, you can access row set, you can access result set. That is Oracle web join row set object. Can I assign to cache row set? Oracle join row set object. Can I assign to cache row set? Yes, that concept is called upcasting. Oracle join row set object. Can I assign to JDBC row set? No. Can I assign to row set? Can I assign to result set? Yes. Okay. That purpose only hierarchy. Now, first JDBC row set we'll see. First JDBC row set. This is we will see. Note on JDBC row set. JDBC row set. See, it is a serializable object. It is a serializable object. It is a connected object. Next, it is a Java bean. Next, in order to get JDBC row set, we need JDBC row set implementation class only. Example, Oracle JDBC row set. It is a serializable object. It is a connected object. It is a Java bean. In order to get JDBC row set, we need JDBC row set implementation class only. Implementation class only. Example, Oracle JDBC row set. See, JDBC row set is an interface. Oracle JDBC row set is a class that is only for Oracle. But JDBC row set is an interface. It is common to all databases. But this is specific to Oracle. These interfaces implemented by database vendors. Oracle people implemented in Oracle class. MySQL server, one more class. MySQL, one more. SQL server, one more. DB2, one more. Derby, one more. But interface is common. JDBC row set, it is common to all. But this class is different for every database. So this implementation class is different for every database. Oracle JDBC row set. MySQL, one more class. SQL server, one more class. DB2, one more class. Every database, this class name will be different. For all database, this interface name is same. Okay. Now using JDBC row set, can access row set methods? Can access? Yes. Can access result set methods? Yes. Result set methods already you studied. Row set you have to learn. So row set is common to all row sets. So I'll give for writing program methods. Java P, Java X dot SQL dot row set. It is a common interface for all row sets. In this, methods are there. See, in this interface, methods. Set URL. You can set the URL. Set username. You can set the username. Set password. You can set the password. Set command. You can set the command. Nothing but SQL query. After that, you can call execute method. It is going to execute. See these methods. Method name only, answer is there. Set URL. Setting URL. Okay. Method name only, set username. Why these method names are all setter is there? Set. It is Java bean. Okay. Right is all. Set URL. You can pass URL. Set username. Username you can pass. Password. Command. Command nothing but SQL query. Command nothing but SQL query. See, set URL. You have to pass URL. Set username. You have to pass username. Set password. Set password. Set command nothing but SQL query. Execute. Execute method. It's a result set. Execute query method you studied, no? Like that equal. This is only for row set. Execute query method place only execute is there here. For getting result set, we used to execute query method. Here execute method. This is instead of result set, row set. That's it. Remaining same. Result set alternative is row set. Result set alternative concept is row set. Okay. Is it over? So all public methods, all abstract. These are already implemented in Oracle JDBC row set. You can access. It doesn't return. All throws SQL exception. Is it over? No. See the program. See in Eclipse also you can write. Eclipse nothing. Already given Eclipse notes also. See, your total 5 row sets are there. These 5 row sets interfaces are classes. Interfaces implemented by Oracle Corporation in these 5 classes. Okay. So JDBC row set implemented in Oracle JDBC row set. Cached row set implemented in Oracle cached row set. Like that. So these 5 interfaces implemented in these 5 classes. But these 5 interfaces are derived from row set interface, common interface, common to all. That is derived from result set. So at last again result set is super interface. All result set methods you can access here also. Okay, all you can access. Now you are learning JDBC row set. You are learning JDBC row set. How to write JDBC row set? We'll see now. See, actually Java double perspective is there. I'll close this one. Already notes I given about Eclipse. It is Java double perspective. For JDBC program, Java perspective required. So window, perspective, open perspective, other, Java. Here. So already we written some JDBC we selected. Okay, JDBC programs we are writing here. See, right click on new class. Here, suppose JDBC Rosette demo. I'll write. Okay, JDBC Rosette demo, JRS demo. Okay, package name JDBC. Now here main method we have to select. Click finish. See here. Now you can write the code here. You can write the code. First, in order to get Rosette, we need only Rosette implementation class. Which Rosette we are writing? JDBC Rosette. Something JRS equal to JDBC Rosette subclass required. Which is subclass? Oracle JDBC Rosette. So new Oracle JDBC Rosette. So here, which class object created? Oracle JDBC Rosette. Oracle JDBC Rosette object created in this case. Okay. Oracle JDBC Rosette. These classes are available. This is also not on point. The above classes are in OJDBC 6_g.jar file. Note the above all classes, the above classes are in OJDBC 6_g.jar file. So the jar file, it is there. Jar file already added. The above classes are in OJDBC 6_g.jar file. So what you have to do here, how to add jar file you studied, no? Notes I given. See, on this, right click. After that, build path. After that, configure build path. Configure build path. For adding jar file, notes already given. Right click, build path, configure build path. In this, here, libraries, here already class path, it is there. Okay, so it already is there. So no need to write. Here, right click, build path, add jar file. Now here, Oracle JDBC Rosette object created. That object referred by JDBC Rosette. It is super interface. It is subclass. Is this line is valid? How it is valid? Upcasting. Can I write like this? Is this line is valid? Why it is not valid? It is interface. We cannot create object. It is interface. You cannot create object. Can I write like this? Yes or no? You can write. If you want, you can write like this. Okay. Otherwise, go for like this. That is also valid. If you write like this, this is common to all databases. This is specific to database. Okay. Now, after getting this, now you can set URL. JRS.set URL. Set URL. URL you have to set. Now, what is the URL? GDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at localhost colon 1521 colon XC. Now, in a first line only, driver loaded. No need to load the driver because this class is specific to Oracle. No, this class is specific to Oracle. So when I create object to that class, constructor called, with that constructor driver loaded. So no need to load. Even previous programs also no need to load the driver because driver default auto loading driver facility came without writing that class dot for name also driver loaded in previous programs also. Class dot for name you can remove, it works. Only URL you have to set. Driver automatically loaded. After that, JRS dot set username. Username system. Okay. Next, JRS dot set password. Password manager. See, set URL, set username, set password. All setter methods I'm calling. Next, JRS dot set command. You can write query. Select star from student. All records. Okay, select star from student. All records now referred by JRS. See, I'm using only one class. Now row set we got it. After execution you'll get it. Execute. Row set we got it. Over. With this row set, can I call next method and setter method, getter methods, result set methods? Can I call? Yes. While JRS dot next. JRS dot next. Here. System dot out dot print. JRS dot get int. Column number you can write, column name also you can write. Roll number like this also you can write, or column name also you can write. /t. Next, system dot out dot print. JRS dot get string name plus /t. System dot out dot println. JRS dot get in marks. Over. See, now it is only one class. Okay. Here Control Shift O, organizing import statement. Imported. See, this is imported, both are imported, but still we are getting error exception. So you can select the text, shortcut key Alt Shift Z, or try multi-catch or try catch, you can select. Over. Okay. Now SQL exception also imported. Now you can run. See, so which program? JRS demo. Right click, run as Java application. Save. Run as Java application. It will run. See here records. These all records printed. Okay. This is a program. This program now the package, all those things not compulsory. If you want, you can write, but this is just I'll make it star. Okay. Anyhow, only 3 are there. This is separate record. This is separate record. This is separate. Okay. Continue. Now this comment I'll remove. You can continue. Same. Okay, otherwise directly here. Now write it this one. Program to demonstrate JDBC rosette. Program to demonstrate JDBC rosette. Connection interface, driver manager class, these all not required. Result set metadata user no, that is also you can use for getting column names. Get metadata method, if you call, result set metadata comes. If you call get column count, columns comes, column numbers. That is also possible. Because result set is super interface, you can call all same methods. Program to demonstrate JDBC rosette. Java.sql for SQL exception. Java x.sql.rosette for JDBC rosette. Oracle.jdbc rosette for Oracle JDBC rosette packet. That is an Oracle OJDB6_G file. Packet name is Oracle. Subpacket name is JDBC. Again, subpacket name is rosette. Is it over? So if you want metadata, you can extract metadata. How to extract? Get metadata method. Get metadata method, if you call, get result set metadata comes. With that, we can extract the columns. Okay. Is it over? Here, this is new concept. Remaining J, this is result set concept only. Up to here only new appears. Okay. This is JDBC row set. Next heading, cached row set. Cached row set. Cached row set. It is a serializable object. It is a disconnected object. It is a Java bean. It is a Java bean. In order to get cached row set, we need cached row set implementation class. Example, Oracle cached row set. In order to get cached row set, we need cached row set implementation class only. Example, Oracle cached row set. So what's the difference between JDBC row set, cached row set? Only one difference, that is connected, disconnected. Okay. This object doesn't maintain the connection. That object always maintain the connection. That's the only difference. Is it over? So it is cached row set. So total data stored in cache memory. That's what that name is, cached row set. So in a RAM cache memory, some memory allocated. That memory is called cache memory. That's what cached row set dumped. Total data dumped into cache memory. Now see here, same. Right click, new class. You can write, suppose CRS demo, cached row set demo. Select main method, click finish. Here you can write what you can write, cached row set CRS equal to new Oracle cached row set. Remaining same, CRS dot set URL. URL JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at localhost 1521 colon XE. That's it. Next, CRS dot set username. System. CRS dot set password. Manager. CRS dot set command. Select star from student. CRS dot execute. No, same. While CRS dot next. Same, CRS dot crs dot get int system dot out dot println also right. Get int roll number also you can write, column number also you can write. Get string. Like this also you can write. Okay. Control shift to O. After this alt shift to Z. Over. Now you'll get a same output, no change. Right click, save. Right click, run as Java application. See, same output, no change. This is the output. Write this one. Program to demonstrate cashew roasted. Program to demonstrate cashew roasted. That is connected, this is disconnected. Only difference that is we cannot see. This method only, this is only for row set. It is alternative to result set. This program here, DDL query, DML queries you cannot write because already row starting only row set you are writing now. It is only alternative to result set. Here it should be select a query only, no other option, because already we are writing row set. It is only alternative to result set. It should be select a query only, create query, insert query, update queries you cannot write. I'll clarify your doubts end of the session. Is it over? Now it is cached row set. That is JDBC row set. This is cached row set. That is connected. This is disconnected. That object always being connected to database. This object not maintains a connection. Okay. Next web row set. Web row set. It is same as cached row set. It is same as cached row set. And additionally, it allows to write web row set data to XML file. It is same as cached row set, and additionally it allows to write web row set data to XML file. So this row set data you can write to XML file. Separate methods are there. Auto generated XML file comes, automatically XML file generated. That XML file we can use in internet application. Generated XML file can be used in web applications. Generated XML file can be used in web applications. Nothing but next Solid JSP internet application, web application. Generated XML file can be used in web applications. See, whatever you studied cached row set, same serializable, disconnected, Java bean, and this is everything same. Additionally, one concept, writing row set data to XML file possible. Generated XML file can be used in web application. See, here two methods are there. Here two methods are there to generate XML file. One is byte stream, one is character stream. Note down. See, it is character stream. That is byte stream. It is character stream. It is byte stream. So writer, character stream, output stream, byte stream. In the place of output stream, can I pass file in file output stream? In the place of writer, can I pass file writer? Yes. Subclasses. So write XML. You can write one file name, you can write data written to XML file. Automatically XML file generated. Here file writer you have to pass. Here file output stream you have to pass. If you select first one, file writer. If you select second one, file output stream. Core Java classes, file writer, file output stream is studied. That is. Is it over? Character stream means use this. Byte stream means use this. Automatically XML file comes. That XML file we can use in internet applications. Web applications we can use. Web application nothing but tomorrow onwards. Is it over? See. Suppose if you write like a cached row set, then no difference. Suppose new class. Web row set demo. Here, suppose if you write web row set WRS new Oracle web row set. If you write like this, then no difference between cached row set, web row set. If you write as it is, set URL JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at localhost 1521 colon XC. WRS dot set username. Username system. Next WRS dot set password manager. Next set command. Select star from student. If you write again next method, again if you display, then no difference between cached row set, web row set. If you print, if you want to write to XML file different, write XML, you can write here output stream. You can create file output stream FOS equal to new file output stream. Here one file name you can pass. Suppose one file student.xml. It will be created. That is object reference FOS. So with this line, student.xml file created. With this line, row set data return to XML. That's it. Okay. Now here on message system.out.println web row set data return to student.xml file. Now Control Shift O. Next exception. Over. Now you can see. Save. See, right click, run as Java application. Web row set data return to XML file. That XML file in the location generated. One minute. Eclipse workspace JDBC. See, student.xml. It is generated just now, 8:51. Okay. This is you can open with Notepad. You can see. See, this is automatically generated. See, data will be here. Roll number 1, name, marks, roll number, marks. This is XML file. This automatically generated. Okay. Write this one. This is again write star enough instead of writing 2 lines. Program to demonstrate web row set. So if you print, there is no difference between web row set, cached row set. If you display, this is only different, additional concept. So writing WebRoset data to XML file. Is it over? Remaining two row sets. Tomorrow I'll explain. Actually, those two not important. Tomorrow I'll give you notes. Tomorrow after completion of these row sets, I'll start solids. Okay. Be regular. Tomorrow onwards, programming style is going to be changed. Complete different. Whatever you studied, core Java, JDBC, same style. Solids onwards, it is complete different. Browser required, server required, Eclipse required, and node editors required, compiler, JVM all required. So many environments required. Okay, how to install server, how to use server also we'll see. Say, well, here run as application server comes, no, right click, run as, here Java application is coming, like that server, run as, run on server, server programming we will see. Okay, that we will see tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see condition. Online students, if any doubts are there, just wait 2 minutes. I'll clarify your doubts. One by one, I'll clarify your doubt. 1 minute, 1 minute. One by one, I'll clarify your doubts. Just a minute. Eclipse notes in Google Classroom not there. Okay, I'll share. Connection is not required. It is established the connection. /t nothing but tab. /t nothing but tab. Column name if you want to get, result set metadata you can use. This is alternative to result set only. You cannot write DDL queries, DML queries. Dynamic PLSQL queries, if you want, you can write only select query only. Loading driver not required because in this class only driver loaded. In that class only driver loaded. Loading driver is not required, automatically loaded. XML file usage you will understand in further session. XML nothing but it's like a HTML, hypertext markup language. It is extensible markup language, server understandable language. Server programs we'll see tomorrow onwards. Application program, server program means if the program is running under server, worldwide accessible. What is the method stub? Where you have seen that method? based on the topic. Stub skeletons different, RMI related. Blob data in Eclipse. How to pass blob data in Eclipse? Here, right click, here, run as, run configuration. Here, arguments. Here you have to pass. Loading a driver is not required because in that constructor only driver loaded. Notes I shared up to today class. You can check it out. While creating object only, row set driver loaded. Notes I shared in Google Classroom. You can check it out. If with web browser data, we can generate XML file. That XML file we can use in internet applications. Class path for JDK. I think you written some small mistakes. You screenshots you mail to my mail ID. I'll give a reply. Screenshot you mail to my mail ID. What is the mistake? I will show you. Geeta Rani. Sanjit. Scroll sensitive, insensitive, not related to disconnected. That is connected only. Cache row set. If you want to load the data, if you want to dump into RAM, we use. What is the use of XML file? Tomorrow onwards, you'll understand. If you want to send in network, row set. Otherwise, result set. These notes I shared in Google Classroom, you can check it. Up to today class I shared. JDK 11. JDK 11 don't use. You go for JDK 18 also. System admin number, if you want, you can mail to my mail ID. I'll give a reply. Edit package program, you have to create folder in Eclipse. First you have to create package folder, then possible. Installation doubts, you mail to my mail ID. I'll give a system admin number. Yeah, I give a reply to all people yesterday. Multiple commands you cannot write. One command, select query. Google Classroom link you have to contact admin only. I'm not responsible for Google Classroom link. Ankit. What is stub? You are asking, I'm not getting. Stub is related to stub and skeleton related to RMI programs. You cannot write other commands. Select a star from student only you can write because it's an alternative result set. It is an alternative to result set. Any other doubts? Table or view does not exist means that given table name not there. Web browser data I removed. It is there in the PDF files. You can check it in Google Classroom. Do forward slash that is command line. We'll see continuation tomorrow. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. I'll give a reply. Yesterday I gave reply to all students. Okay.
If any doubts are there, mail to my mail ID. I'll give a reply.